નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, welcome back. This is part 4 of chapter 6. Be my multiple. I will be your factor of standard 5th mathematics. And I hope you must be enjoying the games, isn't it? And you must be playing with your friends also. Today also we will go for the new game, that is dice game, okay, and that is on the page number 90 in your textbook. So open page number 90 in your textbook. First of all, have you ever seen the dice? You can see that picture of dice in this also, otherwise you can see the picture of dice over here also. I hope you must have played with it, isn't it? So let's try to understand the rules of this game. Then after we will play this game. Throw two dice together. आपको two dice लेनी है. Then you will have to throw two dice together. What are the numbers that turn up on the faces of the dice? अब आपको देखना है what are the numbers which turn up on the face of the dice. See, this is the face of the dice. Okay, these two. This is the face of the dice. So which numbers are turned up on the face of the dice? If it is a multiple of any of the number written next to the circles, you can write it in the circle. See, that number, if it is a multiple of any of these circles, which are these numbers? 6, 4, 5 and 7. So the number which are multiple of these, any of these number, then we will have to write that number in particular circle. You can write it in that circle, then it is your friend's turn. Then after it will be your friend's turn. The one who can write more numbers in 10 rounds will be the winner. Okay, जो अपने सर्कल में सबसे ज्यादा नंबर राइट कर पाएगा विल बी दी विनर. अब एक बात यहां पे समझने जैसी है. लुक, रीड ओवर हियर. I have 3 and 2 on my dice. You can see I have 3 and 2 on my dice. If I make 23, now 3 and 2 is there, so I can write 2 and 3. If I will make 23, it is not the multiple of any of the number. 23 is a prime number. It is not a multiple of any of the number. Even from this number also, it is not a multiple. So I will make 3 2, which is a multiple of 4. Write it in the red circle. So instead of 23, I will write 3 and 2. So first of all, I will write 3 and then after 2. So I can write 3 2 also. I can change the number, place of the number, and it will be 3 2. Now 3 2 is a multiple of 4, isn't it? So I will have to write 3 2 in the circle of 4. Do you get these rules? Anna? So now let's go. Which are the numbers can come on the dice? Okay, that's what we should understand, and then it is possible. So let's go for the number. Okay, now see, this is dice 1, this is dice 2. Okay, so if there is 1 and 1 on this one, okay, on the face, if there is 1 and 1, then what it will be the number? 1 and 1 will be 11. 11 is a prime number, and it will not be a multiple of any of this number. So 1 1 will not. Now 1 2, it may be 1 2 or it may be 2 1, 1 2 or 2 1. We will go with this one only. Suppose on dice 1 there is 1 and on dice 2 there is 2. Then it may be 1 2 and 2 1. We can go for two numbers. Now, can you see 1 2? 1 2 is a multiple of 6. 1 2 is a multiple of 4. Isn't it? So I should write in this circle 6 and 4. And if it is 2 1, then it is a multiple of, do you know 2 1 is a multiple of which number? Yes, it is 7. So I should write 2 1 over here, isn't it? Now I should go next. For the next, it is 1 3. I should see, I will keep one number and then I will change this number. Okay. So now it is 1 3. If it is 1 3, then I can write 1 3, and by changing the place I can write 3 1. But both are prime number and those are not a multiple of any number. So let me go with 1 and 4. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. And let me change the place. That is 4 1. Now, can you see for which number 1 4 is the multiple? Right. 1 4 is a multiple of 7. Isn't it? Let's go further. 41 is not a multiple of any number. Now 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Changing the place. 51. So 1 5. Do you know it is a multiple of 5? So let me write 15 over here, isn't it? And 51 out of this, 51 is a multiple of any of this number? No, it is not. Next, 1 6. 1 6 and 61. If 1 6 is a multiple of any of this? Yes, 1 6 is a multiple of 4, isn't it? Then see, 1 is over with this one. So let's go for 2. Let's go for 2. So now 2 will be with 1. No, it is not possible. Why? Because we have seen 2 1 and 1 2. We already seen 2 1 and 1 2. So 2 and 1 will not go. Now 2 and 2. 2 and 2. 22. Is it a multiple of any of this number? No. Then 2 3. 2 3 and 3 2. 2 3 cannot be multiple of any number, but 32. 32 is a multiple of 4, isn't it? Now let's go. 2 4 and 4 2. 2 4 and 4 2. 2 4 is a multiple of 6. Yes. 2 4 is a multiple of 4. Yes. 2 4 is a multiple of, now 5 and 7 it is not, but 4 2 is a multiple of, do you know, 6 and 7. 7 6 are 42. So 42 over here and 42 over here, isn't it? Now let's go further. 2 and 5. 2 5 5 2. 2 5 is a multiple of 5. But 5 2 is not a multiple of any. This 5 2 is a multiple of 4 also, isn't it? So let me write 5 2. Okay. Now 2 with 6. 2 6 6 2. So 2 6 is not a multiple of any of this, but 62 is a multiple of, do you know? No, it is not a multiple of any of this. So 6 2 and 2 6 will not come. Now let's go for 3. So 3 1, 3 2 we have seen. Now we will go for the next. That is 3 3. 3 3 is not a multiple of any of these three. But let's go for 3 4 and 4 3. Is 3 4 is a multiple of anything? No. 4 3 is also not a multiple of any of these. Now 3 5 and 5 3. 3 5 is a multiple of 5, isn't it? Do you know 5 7s are 35? So it is a multiple of 5 also and multiple of 7 also. Because in the table of 5 and 7, both there is a 35. That is why 35 is a multiple of both. Then after 5 3. 5 3 is not a multiple of any. Now that is why we should go for 3 6. 3 6 6 3. Now 3 6 is a multiple of 6 6 are 36. Okay, 9 4s are 36. And 5 and 7, it is not a multiple, but 63. 63, 9 7s are 63. So it is a multiple of 7, isn't it? Now let's go for 4, isn't it? So for 4, we have seen 4 3, 4 2, 4 1, we have seen. So 4 4. And is 4 4 is a multiple of any of these? Yeah, 11 4s are 44. Okay. Now let's go 4 5. Is 4 5 is a multiple of any of these? Yeah, 4 5 is a multiple of 5. Now 5 4. Is 5 4 is a multiple of any of this? Do you remember? 9 6 are 54. So let me write over here. Okay. Then let's go for 4 6. 4 6 and 6 4. We have changed the place. 4 6 6 4. Okay. Now 4 6 is a multiple of any of these? No. 4 6 is not a multiple. But 6 4. 6 4 is a multiple of 4. Okay. 16 4s are 64. Now let's go for the next. And the next one is, suppose 5 is there. Okay. So it may be 5 5 or 5 6. We already have seen 5 4 5 3. Already we have seen. So 5 5. Now it can be 5 5 and 5 5 is a multiple of 5. 11 5s are 55. Okay. Now let's go for the next. 5 6 and 6 5. Now 5 6 is a multiple of 4, isn't it? So 5 6 is a multiple of 4. And anything else? No. But 6 5 is a multiple of 5. So here I should write 6 5. Then after the next last number, that is 6 6. 6 6 is a multiple of 6. So we did this activity so that you could come to know if there is a number something like this, then where you will put this number in this one. Okay, that is why we did this activity. Now what you will do? You will play with your friend, any of your family member, and go for 2 dice. And I hope it must be available in your home. You must be playing that that some other games also with this dice, isn't it? So play with your any of your family member or with your friend and go for this activity. Now you know which of these number, if there is any of this number on the dice, now you know which of these number are the multiple of this one. Okay, so now it is very much possible to play with your friend. Do this activity, play this game, enjoy today. Okay, we'll meet you in the next part. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.